Hey guys, it's Abby from Smartass Sass, and I am here to unbox our April box for you. Alright, so let's dig in. So this month's theme was Bite Me. Let me get our little booklet for you. So everything was food related. We didn't have any edible items, so you don't have to worry about food preferences or allergies or anything like that. But as always, you get this little booklet that outlines everything that you're getting, who it came from, where you can find them online and get more of their cool stuff, and if there are any care instructions. So there's that. Okay, let's see. So first up, I'm going to show you this towel from Primitives by Kathy. So it is a jacquard towel, and it is so soft, and it says be fierce, and it has a cactus on it. And so for this one, we actually did, it was kind of an either or situation. So you either got that one I just showed you, or you got this one that says kinda salty and it's gray. But either way, they are both really soft and nice. Okay, we had this item from Blue Q. It's some gum, some cinnamon gum, and it says, bitch, I am the secret ingredient. All right, we had a sticky note this month. We're actually gonna start doing a collectible sticky note every month. So you'll get a new sticky note every month that you're subscribed. But this one says, it says, as for me and my house, we will serve tacos, chips, and queso 24/7. So it's a 50 sheet notepad, and it is Post-it brand, so they're nice. Okay, then we have from Wit Gifts, we have a pack of chip clips, and so we had two different 4-packs, so you either got one or the other. This one says, in my defense, I was left unsupervised, Chip just got real, go on and touch this, and most epic munchies ever. Okay, and then I'll show you the picture of the other set. So it'll be hard to read those, but the other set said, just a nip before I clip, all the Pringle ladies, Carbe Diem, and then Let's Get Stuffed. So those were both super cute sets. We couldn't decide between the two. All right, next up we have a notepad. It's kind of glary. Let me take it out of the packaging. So this notepad is from Near Modern Disaster. It is ginormous. That really didn't help at all. Okay, it says, on the top it says to buy things to put in my mouth and the non-mouth things. So all the important food related stuff goes up here, and then all of the things like toilet paper, boring stuff goes down here. So it's kind of hard to see with my light, but it has this cute green pattern on it. They're really cute. And it has a magnet on the back so it sticks to your fridge. So there's that. Okay, I was really excited about this item. We did this little mini cutting board. So it says, chop it like it's hot. In the corner, it's engraved. It's a bamboo cutting board. These are so nice. I was so excited about the quality of these. All right, so the last item that was in the box is the spoiler item. So you may have already seen this. It was this giant cooler tote that we did. So it is a, it could be a lunch bag. It could also honestly fit a 6-pack in it if you wanted it to. So it's fully insulated on the inside. It has this pocket on the front, and it says, I'm sorry for what I said when I was hangry. It also has this really nice strap. I use mine every day for my lunch. They are awesome. Okay, and then last up is the t-shirt. So you can subscribe to just the t-shirt, you can subscribe to the box, or you can subscribe to the big box, which is both the t-shirt and all of the items. So those are our 3 subscription options. But this month's shirt says, I think my soulmate might be carbs, and it's a black soft tee with kind of a really light gray and teal design on it. So that is the t-shirt. And that's the box. So we have just a couple t-shirts left and some of the boxes left, so I will post those links, and I'll also post the link to subscribe if you want to subscribe for May. Thanks!